Yes, hello. I was wondering if you could play that song again.
Which one, man?
The one that goes...
Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my second moving vlog. Second moving vlog. I'm currently in my apartment right now, and this video starts in Binghamton, but I just wanted to explain the situation a little before getting into the actual vlog. So I am moving to Brooklyn. I've moved to Brooklyn. I've been here for like 2 months. This vlog is going up incredibly late, but that's beside the point. Moving to Brooklyn by myself. I'm living alone, but my parents are helping me with a 2-bedroom apartment so that when my mom comes to visit and my sister or my brother or whoever it may be, there's an extra room. So if you're wondering why I live in a 2-bedroom by myself, that's why. I am not paying for it in full by myself. I want to be completely transparent about that. And clear up any questions. I'm incredibly lucky, and I don't take this for granted for a second. I can't believe that I'm here and I'm living in this beautiful place. And I'm extremely, incredibly grateful for my parents. I can't wait to have everybody come stay with me all the time. I've already had, you know, a couple guests, a couple weekends. So it's definitely gonna get its use, this second room. That's the room I'm in right now. But yeah, that's the situation. Take with that what you will. I know how lucky I am, and I'm very grateful. So let's jump back 2 months, shall we? Good morning, YouTube. Today is the day that I've been waiting for like 3 years. I'm moving to New York. Running a little behind already, but like, what's new? We have a 3-hour drive ahead of us. All my stuff is packed to watch me pack. Go to my last video. I am very tired right now, because, no, watch my last video and you'll know. I'm also a bit congested because of all the dust in this room. When I was cleaning everything out and packing, my allergies are going crazy. I'm dying, but it's fine. It's totally fine because we're moving to New York. Let's get this show on the road, baby. He came to say goodbye.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm. Time to go. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay. Dad's packing up. We are approximately 21 miles, 42 minutes from the apartment. Max, how are you feeling about the move?
It's bittersweet. It's sad to see you go, but I'm glad to see you drive.
Thank you, Max.
Nah, honestly, it's just sweet. I'm so glad to see you fucking leave.
Thank you. We're going to a Brooklyn Nets game tonight. This is my dad in front of us with my couch sticking out of the back of the truck.
What do you think he's doing?
Eat our dust, Ray. Here we go. It's so bright.
Oh my.
Welcome home, Ro.
Holy crow.
Welcome to my home. Welcome to my crib. Okay, you guys, I'm officially... Wow, look at that light. Holy shit. I'm officially here. Oh, baby. Let's give you an empty apartment tour quick while everyone's still gone. Okay, so this is when you walk in. You walk in to see the kitchen. And this is the living room. This is my incredible view. I'm so fucking lucky. I can't believe this. So this will be my parents' room. They also have a bathroom. And their bedroom. I have a closet here, and this is my room. She is beauty, she is grace. I'm gonna put my TV here. I'm gonna put the couch here facing that way. I think I'm gonna put my desk here, question mark. And then either some bar stools or a little table. TBD. I might also put the couch or the desk there, depending on what I can find and how big the couch is. Oh man.
What's the zipper for? Jeez.
Got the couch going.
Oh shit.
Careful.
Oh my god.
Do you want me to do it? Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
We're opening up the mattress so we can sleep. We got our mattresses from Casper. We literally just got home from the game.
You alright?
What does it say?
Slit the plastic and put it in for 3 minutes.
With the plastic
Did you cut yourself? Yeah, just slit it. Vent it.
Love it. He's a bleeder.
You cut yourself?
He's a bleeder.
Instant replay.
A minute and a half.
Bingo.
This is what I wore to the game. Leather pants. Look at the bathroom view. Life is good. Life is good. It's the next day.
I didn't know that's real.
My dad and Max are putting together the beds. Now I'm sweeping. Oh. Got all my cleaning supplies. This is the state of the apartment right now. Bed number 1 is made. And the beds have drawers. Like this. So I can put all my stuff in here. This is the closet in here. It's super nice. Hello. All right, so I feel really far away, but basically, I feel so far. Everyone is gone now. Just little old me here by myself, alone. Mom and Dad left a couple hours ago, and Max left a little while ago. And now it's just me. I officially have moved and live in New York City. I went to Target again, got some more stuff that I just put away. Just like things, kitchen stuff. Shout out to my Aunt Sabrina. She got me all of this baking stuff for Christmas. I love baking. Everything's so fucking dusty from being in my room. And now I've started unpacking, so I'm just gonna do a couple different time lapses, I guess, of me putting things away. Good morning. My voice. To 8:30, I'm waiting for the man to come set up my Wi-Fi. He's coming between 8 and 9. He's on his way. It's gonna snow a ton today. I'm gonna end the vlog soon, but before I end the vlog, because I'm gonna do like my first weekend in New York, I'm gonna be snowed in, so it's gonna be just me. But we're literally supposed to get a foot of snow tonight. But anyway, before I end my first move-in vlog, well, my second moving vlog, I guess, we're gonna make my first Nespresso. I don't have groceries yet, but I did get some oat milk at the deli. So the Nespresso came with 11 capsules. So let's see what flavors it came with. My Nana gave me a ton. Literally, I think she gave me like 7 things of capsules. My mom also gave me a couple. But she gave me so many, but they're double espresso shots. So, I don't know if we're gonna do that this morning. So let's open up these and see I realized last night, like living alone, you guys are the only people that I'm gonna have to talk to most of the time. So there will be a lot of vlogging and me talking. But anyway, this is what we've got going on, a little sampler. Last night I was putting this on here like together and this fell off and this piece dropped in between right here. So I had to pull my fridge out. I had to pull the thing off the bottom of the cabinet. It was a whole thing. Oh, that spark. You're kidding me right now. Are you kidding me right now? Okay. I wanna. This is gonna be bitter, but here's to my first sip of coffee on my Nespresso machine. Pretty good, pretty good. Cheers. Yeah, this is moving vlog number 2 complete. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you are not already, because there's just more and more content to come. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.